Hey guys, look what came in the mail today, another credit card. So as always, we'll do our good old-fashioned unboxing and review of this credit card. And if you like contents like this, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel. So let's dive right into it. Alright guys, first things first, as always, they'll let you know that this credit card, it has tap to go feature, secure, easy, fast, especially in times like this where we're trying not to touch everything. I think this is a great feature, but it is available in most cards these days, but it's always good to know that this card has it too. Alright guys, so I had to cover up some of my personal information here. It says account renewal notification. So full disclosure, this is not a brand new card that I'm getting. I'm just renewing this, so they sent me a new card. I have had this card for a time now, but there is a lot to talk about this, so we will talk about it in a second. So here they talk about all the interest and the current rates. So in this channel, guys, we never advise that you carry a balance, and I try not to carry a balance too, so it doesn't really affect me in any way, but this is where the information is. Finally, guys, the moment that we have all been waiting for, the credit card itself. The fact that the numbers and all the expiry numbers and everything else is at the back, it does help with these unboxing videos. So that means I don't have to cover it up, and I can give you guys as close to the original unboxing feeling in these videos. So without further ado, let us rip this credit card off this paper and take a better look at it. Alright, looks pretty ordinary, feels pretty ordinary too. Nothing wrong with that, it's a little shiny. As you guys know, if you've seen my other videos, I like matte credit cards, but shiny, well, doesn't hurt, doesn't look too bad. Let me take off the sticker right here. So guys, you'll see this is the Bank of America Better Balance Rewards credit card. So here you see the tap to pay symbol. Here's the chip, just my name in front. This is a Mastercard. It doesn't say Mastercard, but you just see the Mastercard logo. But it's a pretty well-known logo, so, you know, it's not a problem there that it doesn't say Mastercard. Then you see the Bank of America logo over here. Pretty straightforward, but here's the important part, guys. Bank of America Better Balance Rewards credit card. I call this Bank of America's secret credit card. We will see that in a second why. As of making this video, if you go and do a search on Bank of America's website, or just do a Google search on Bank of America Better Balance Rewards credit card, you won't find a website that brings you to the information of this card, because like I said, this is Bank of America's secret credit card, and in my opinion, this is their best credit card out there. So much so that I think Bank of America loses money in each of these credit cards. That's why I think they stopped giving it away that easily. But I will also show a way in this video how you could get it yourself. So there's a roundabout way of getting it, but you can get it, and I will show you guys exactly how you could do it in the review portion of this video. But moving back to the card, let me see. Yep, very straightforward, very ordinary. No one's going to be impressed when you drop it on the table, unless they know exactly what the Better Balance Rewards credit card is. Other than that, yeah, So let's do a drop test. Yeah, very ordinary, guys. Nothing wrong with that. This is a no annual fee credit card, so it's okay. Alright guys, I thought I would bring out my Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card and compare it to the Better Balance Rewards. You'll see that this is matte. I've done a full unboxing video of that too, so if you want you can check it out. I'll try to link that in the iCard here, but given that it's matte, it looks much better in my opinion compared to the shiny one here for the Better Balance Rewards. Let me know if you guys prefer matte finish credit cards or shiny credit cards. Everyone has a preference. I just love the matte finish on credit cards. I think it looks so much better, but it doesn't cost the company any more to make it. At least I don't think it costs any more to make it. It's just matte or shiny. So that's that. But it's very similar to that of the Cash Rewards credit card in terms of bending and the way it sounds when you drop it. Yeah, very, very much similar. So the construction quality is exactly the same. It's just the finish of it. And let me see how much it weighs. Yep, exactly like any other credit cards you've got. So Cash Rewards credit card, if you have the Chase Freedom credit cards, any other plastic credit card, if you have a plastic credit card or debit card, it feels and sounds just like that when you drop it or when you touch it, when you try to bend it, exactly the same. Nothing exceptional in terms of appearance or feel, but thought I would make an unboxing and review video of this, because if you do another search on YouTube, you will not find a lot of videos on this credit card, because this is Bank of America's secret credit card. I think they don't issue it to everyone, or they don't issue it at all anymore, because they lose money on this, at least in my opinion. So that's it for this unboxing, guys. So let's move over to the review portion of this video, where I will discuss the perks of this card, and there are some very unique perks in this card. And we'll also discuss how you could get this Bank of America secret credit card, which is known as the Bank of America Better Balance Rewards credit card. Alright guys, so let's move on to the review portion of this video. First, I'm going to talk about how we can get this card, and then I'm going to talk about why you would want to get this card, that is, all the perks of this card. So guys, if you like contents like this, consider subscribing to this channel and give it a thumbs up. I do have quite a few unboxing and review videos for credit cards coming up in these coming weeks. So, diving right into it, you'll see I am on Google, and I just searched for the Bank of America Better Balance Rewards credit card, and you will see from here there is not a single Bank of America website or URL that takes you to the page where you can go and apply for this card. The first link is creditcards.com, then you see Money Crashers. Here's just a generic Bank of America credit card website URL. Then you got NerdWallet and a few other websites that you'll see, none of which basically is the official Bank of America URL where you could go and apply for this card. And if we go to the Bank of America website, let's go to credit cards right here. Let's just say shop all credit cards, view all cards, and you'll see here they have all the cards that they have in this page, but not the Bank of America Better Balance Rewards credit card. Travel rewards, premium rewards, these are the airline cards from here on out. MLB card, the WWF card, US Pride card, Spirit Airlines, Allegiant, Amtrak, Air France, As you can see, guys, we are at the bottom of the page, but still not a single entry talks about the Better Balance Rewards credit card. So no wonder this is a secret Bank of America credit card. And how can we help you if we just search for it? Let's go to view all search results. You could pause this video right here, but in here there is no entry for this credit card. So the big question is, how do you get the Better Balance Rewards credit card by Bank of America? Well, actually, it's quite simple. You see all these cards here? You apply for one of these cards. It could be the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card, or it could be the Susan G. Komen card, the MLB card. Ideally, it's better if it is a Mastercard and no annual fee card. So this MLB card right here kind of fits the bill. So you apply for one of these cards, and when that comes in the mail, that's when you call the number at the back of the card to do a product change to this Better Balance Rewards credit card. Since there's no direct way to apply for this card, this is the only way you can get the Better Balance Rewards credit card by Bank of America. So it's a bit of a roundabout way, but in my opinion, it's worth it. Why? Let me tell you. Because this card gives you $25 per quarter just for having this card, which means you get $100 a year for free. Well, is it just as easy as having the card and just keeping it in your drawer? No, there's a slight task to it that you have to do. So all you have to do is use this card once every month. So it could be a $1 transaction, it could be a $100 transaction. Say you buy a banana from a gas station for $1 and you let the statement close so that $1 transaction is registered, and then you pay off that $1. Now, the most you could get from ordinary zero annual fee credit cards is 5%. So 5% of $1 is 5 cents. Now, if you're buying 3 bananas per quarter, you're spending $3, but you're getting $25 back. So you are making much more money than you can spend on that card. So that's where the beauty of it lies. Now, obviously, you could spend it on other things, but it could be as little as $1. You could buy a stick of gum or a banana from a grocery store or a gas station, and that would just be fine. So basically, just for using the card once a month and paying it off in full, the next month, after your statement closes, you get $25 per quarter, which means $100 per year, every year. Say, if you're looking at this MLB card, you get a $200 sign-up bonus, but that's a one-time sign-up bonus. This $100 a year is every single year. So that's what makes this card so valuable. And it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that Bank of America loses money on this credit card. No wonder that they are no longer offering it to the public. But if you are willing to jump through a few hoops, you should be able to get this card. If you guys have any questions on this, please feel free to leave that in the comment section below. I don't want to make this video any longer. And if you like contents like this, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel. So that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.